Put a ring on your calendar, Beyonce's iconic Single Ladies turns 10. Can you believe the hit track Single Ladies, Put a Ring on It, turns 10 years old this week? The second single off Beyonce's third solo studio album, I Am Sasha Fierce, it was released on October 13, 2008 and has been played during the bouquet toss at countless weddings since. With over 600 million views, the music video is iconic. Since it dropped, it's inspired several reenactments, including one by a leotard-wearing Justin Timberlake, who performed a spoof version alongside Beyonce on Saturday Night Live. In case you buried the memory, rightfully so, the Single Ladies music video was also the cause of what has become one of many Kanye West meltdowns when the rapper gave us that moment at the 2009 MTV Video Music Awards. West stormed the stage when Taylor Swift won the Best Female Video, declaring that Beyonce deserved the award because she had produced one of the best videos of all time. Beyonce would go on to win the Video of the Year award and graciously allowed Swift to complete her acceptance speech. Despite the backlash for his alcohol-fueled rant, West was somewhat vindicated when, 2 years later, Time magazine declared Single Ladies to be one of the 30 best music videos of all time. Seeing double? The choreography for the Single Ladies video was inspired by a dance called Mexican Breakfast, which was dreamed up by Bob Fosse and performed by Gwen Verdon on The Ed Sullivan Show in the 1960s. According to Beyonce, she saw the dance on YouTube, liked the choreography and the fact that it looked as if the video had been shot in one take. The rest is history.